Hello everyone, it's Hannelore again with our applique quilt. The fill background for our block F for Forget-Me-Nots are Karlee Porter's Contour Lines. They look complicated, but they are not hard. She does an awesome job explaining. She even has a link to a video in her book. You go to the website or you scan the little code and it takes you right to her website where it takes you to her actually a little video showing you how this is quilted. She does a fabulous job in her book for all the background fills in that book. It's kind of an odd book to think you'd find background fills, but the back of this lettering book has all kinds of really stunning background fills. So check it out. These contour lines are on page 66. Again, thank you for watching. Leave your comments. I love to hear back from you. And you guys have a great day. Thanks again. Bye-bye.